Right now we're in a 100-year-old rubber factory and we're making electronic components here now. The original idea was just these little boards that could stack together. I was targeting more business owners, but then it completely took this verge into this maker DIY realm. It's really all over the place what people are using our stuff for. It's super cool to be able to label our stuff made in Akron. Certainly in electronics, a lot of people have an idea to make a product and then you just manufacture it overseas and you sell that. Here we're really reinvesting into the local communities. People are excited to see this sort of thing here, that during school they can work at a startup, and we employ a number of students from the University of Akron. We're really trying to continue the legacy of Akron. This obviously was a base of manufacturing product. And so while we're not making tires today, we are continuing that tradition of making things with our own hands.